Number 8, the law of intuition. Leaders evaluate everything with a leadership bias. Leaders see trends, resources, and problems, and can read people. Rick Warren, the pastor of Saddleback Church and the phenomenal author of the best-selling book, Purpose-Driven Life, is a master at this law. You see, Rick is carefully invested in his leaders over the years and has a keen sense of awareness of the steps that his church needs to take each particular decade that they're moving into. He's carefully crafted and communicated a model that has now placed his church as a key cultural influencer in the entire world. But it didn't happen overnight. It took him years to develop the kind of intuition that a leader needs to be a major player on the world stage. But Rick, he recognized trends, saw problems, gathered the resources, and he read his people. The result is a worldwide stage after 30 years and hundreds of thousands of changed lives.